Meera, is that you?
Rohan, wow, I did not expect to see you here.
Same here. I just came for a walk. What about you?
Came to relax. I was feeling a little stressed today.
Stress? Why? Everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine. Just a lot of work and studying. My head was hurting, so I wanted fresh air.
I understand. Parks are the best for fresh air. I also come here when I feel tired.
The trees and the birds really help the mind to feel calm.
True. By the way, you look different today. New hairstyle?
Haha. Yes, I tried something new. Do you like it?
Of course. It suits you really well.
Thank you. And you also look nice. Those shoes look new.
Yes, I bought them last week. I am trying to get healthy, so I am walking every evening.
That's good. I'm also trying to be healthier. But sometimes I get lazy.
Same here, but we should motivate each other, right?
Yes, true. We can even go for walks together sometimes.
I would like that a lot.
Do you come here every day?
Mostly yes. Around this time, you?
Not every day, but maybe I will start coming more.
So, how has life been? Anything special going on?
Nothing big, just normal life. Classes, home, some family work. What about you?
Work is busy, but good. I am learning new things. Also thinking about future plans.
Future plans? That sounds serious.
A little serious. I mean, I am thinking about career and our future too.
Sweet. I think about it too sometimes.
Really?
Yes, I imagine us doing many things together. Traveling, working, maybe one day living in the same city.
I would love that. I really miss spending time with you like before.
I miss it too. Life got busy, but it's good we met today. Haha, maybe yes. Same here. You make me feel comfortable, like I can say anything.